We love sweet corn. We look forward to it every summer, always checking if they are available and buy almost weekly when they are. Today we share with you how we cook our corn on the cob to come out so tasty while preserving much of its nutrients. Watch the whole video to see the easy steps on what to do. If you like this kind of sharing, please subscribe to our channel and follow us so we can do more kitchen together. Why do we steam our corn? As most know, cooking directly in boiling water can deplete minerals and vitamins. Longer is the contact, then more is gone. Let's start. Boil water in your pot with 1 teaspoon salt. Salt will help bring out the corn's flavor. No need to fill with a lot of water, but not too little as well because water evaporates when boiling. We are using a large steamer pot as we are cooking several corn on the cobs here. Once the water boils, place your steamer tray. Now place your corns on the steamer tray. Fit as many as the tray can hold. If the corn comes straight from the husk, no need to wash it when you remove the husk. However, remove as many strings as possible. If your pot is small, cut your corns in half. As needed, steam in batches. Cover the pot. We steam for 10 minutes because we like our corn very soft. If you like it crispier, steam for at least 4 minutes or until it crisps, or between 7 to 8 minutes for soft corn. Watch how the corns are cooking. Can't wait to eat. And with steaming, we know that we have preserved much of its nutrients. The corn comes out sweet, with a perfect plumpness and tasty as we like it. Note that the quality, freshness, or even type of corn may impact its sweetness. Look at that beauty. Yum! Eat as is, which we do, or add some butter on top, with or without salt, with or without pepper. Enjoy your sweet corn on the cob. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and follow, and check out our other videos for more easy recipes and delicious food. Thank you for watching and see you again!